ito yung ano. Tubig bro. Tubig dyan. Silip mo dyan. Sold.
God. I think so. We're here.
Hi, I'm Ian
I'm Taylor.
from Putilovespinoy. Today, nandito kami sa Baler. Yan, naimbitahan kami ni Kuya Omar Tolentino. So, I think I heard na ito yung surfing spot in the Philippines. So, you know, and then it could be for beginners too, they said.
Yeah,
so,
they said they're gonna just push you, right?
just push you, yeah. So, mas madali na kasi mag-catch ka ng wave. Na-try na namin sa Hawaii and California, but like, we're not
Not good.
pros, you know, so, especially Taylor don't have
Yeah,
balance.
I have no balance, so I'm not
But
very good at surfing.
it's okay, you
but-
can fall in the water and it's okay. Yeah, pero right now we're gonna start with trying yung delicacy nila. I think it's called brazodemercedes. It's some kind of like pastry in a bakery.
Cake?
Cake, yeah, it's a cake. Kind of, yeah. So ito yung pinaka-famous. Yan.
Dialins.
Daya Lins. But let's go and try it. Ang pinaka-main attraction talaga dito ay ito. Yan guys, pampagana kumain, di ba?
That's what I want.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, you like that one?
Tapos nagkamali.
This is the one I want. You must swirl.
So we're gonna let Taylor guess kung ano yung brazodemercedes. Yan. Wala kasing label so baka mahulaan niya.
I have no idea.
Brazo means arms. How's that? Like that's a clue.
So it's probably like a roll. But I don't know. I'm gonna go with this one because they have a lot.
Wow! Ang galing!
They just have a lot of singing. I want some of the breads too. I want to try.
Oh,
I like
display.
breads.
It's just a display. Like we're gonna make it.
Good one with the powdered sugar. What is that?
No, 230.
But I get some breads.
Wow.
Wow, it's cool, isn't it?
Comes to you.
It comes to you? It comes to you?
Purple in it. Hold it.
Yeah. Walang tray, no?
Still works.
Mamaya.
My hands work fine. So, okay.
Wow.
Okay, lots of bread and carbs.
Guys. Ito again, brazodemercedes, ito yung pinaka-specialty dito. Ito guys, pinupuntahan to ng iba-ibang tao sa iba't ibang lugar. I mean, people from all over the place comes here.
Oh,
just
to-
for
to
this.
try it?
Yeah.
Okay.
If Glenn knows about it, it's good. Because that's all he talks about in the car.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah,
Pangalawa agad siya, ano?
that's really good.
Yeah.
It's light and
Oh my God.
fluffy and sweet. It's good.
Wow.
Ano lasa?
It feels like you're eating like a cloud, huh?
Yeah, that's that's exactly right. Parang kumakain daw ng ulap. Like, how'd you taste it though, ulap? Clouds. It's like some kind of marshmallow and it melts in your mouth. And then the yema is not too sweet.
It's not
So it's
overly
good. Like
sweet.
I was worried about because I don't like too much sweet, but this one is just perfect. And there's a little bit of saltiness, like a touch of it. But the I never had this kind of consistency. That's what
Yeah.
I'm excited to see how they do it.
Oh yeah.
know, they probably whip it a lot.
Oh,
10 out of 10 for me.
Yeah, because it's not too sweet. It's a 10 out of 10.
I'm actually afraid to try other places because this is so good. Because everything will be not good, I think, right? It's kind of like when we eat sushi on a good restaurant.
Yeah.
We ate on the best one. After that, everything else was like,
Yeah.
nah, we gotta go.
I think that's probably what's gonna happen for me because
No,
this is the
this
first
one
time I've
is
ever
so
had this,
good.
and this
Yeah.
one is.
Oh, you had
Let's
some
try
more.
the other breads.
You wanna try the other things?
That's why I
Okay.
know about that.
Natagalan na si Glenn eh. Ayan, nahihiya naman ako. Baka masama na yung tingin niya eh. Yan.
What's that?
This one is buko.
Buko.
I'm gonna eat the one with all the buko.
Ah,
They are not skimpy on the toppings, stuffing.
I like that it's not too sweet. Majority, no, I'll try the rest, but this one is just the perfect amount of sugar.
And butter. You can taste the butter in it.
Lahat dito hindi ganun katamis.
Ah.
Yung gawa nila.
Ito, bro, happy ko na yun, di ba? Ito ang master ng food, pero dito lang sa kanila o the whole Baler?
Ito lang ano eh.
Ah, ito lang ang bakery talagang famous dito. Nakakailang ganyan ka?
Isang buo yung yung isang roll yung
Isang braso.
half lang kasi ito eh.
Oh, ay pucha. Hindi, meron pa doon. Yung ano pa kita. Half lang kasi ito namin.
This one I'm excited for. I love
What's that?
ube. It's purple.
Oh my god. I haven't had it yet.
Yum. Yeah. It's like pure ube in the middle.
Yeah.
So good.
Guys, yung ube nila, di ba, pag matamis, ito hindi. Not at all.
No.
It's not even sweet, huh?
No, it's not.
Like, malalasan mo talaga yung flavor ng ube.
I'm gonna spread this one first because I don't know if it's in the middle or just on the top. I'm not sure what buttered egg is.
What's that?
Buttered egg. I don't know what that is. You are.
Wow.
Guys,
Rip it
maubos
now.
ko na to.
I thought this is yema, dude. I think you made a mistake. This is yema.
What do you think? It said buttered egg.
Oh my god.
I don't like,
You don't like this
it doesn't
much?
taste like, no,
It doesn't taste like yema?
no egg.
I think you made a mistake.
I thought it would taste like salted egg, but it doesn't. It might be, Emma. It says buttered
You're right.
egg. Yeah, it says buttered egg. It kind of does taste like Emma though.
Yeah, it kind of tastes like yema. Oh, okay. So they put butter and egg, right? They butter the egg when they used it, so it tastes like a lot of butter, and it's sweet at the same time with the yema.
Yeah, so it's butter, egg, and like Emma mixed together maybe.
Yeah, you
For
know,
the topping.
and then their bread is not the softest, but I like it. I like the way the consistency.
Squishy.
Yeah, it's squishy. Oh, there's more?
Yes,
Oh
one
my God,
more.
we're gonna
one
eat
more.
lunch already. Nag-excited siya kasi hindi pa kami nag-breakfast eh.
I thought it would be stuffed. It's not.
Oh, you're waiting for a surprise?
Yeah, in the middle. This one is supposed to be Emma swirl, so.
Oh, this is the yema. Okay. So out of all this, what's your favorite?
Ube, always. No, well, this, but on the breads, the ube.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Of course, this one is completely
yeah,
different.
that's
yeah.
like in a different category, but
Yeah,
this
so-
bread.
Look, it's half na.
Oh, it's half
Oh
already.
my god.
This is his appetizer for lunch later.
But ube is always my favorite, and it's just like pure grated ube in there. It's not overly sweet. It's really, really good. That's why I like this one the best. What about you?
My favorite is this one, the beaten egg. What? Buttered egg. Yeah. Guys, kung gusto nyo i-try, andito siya sa Sabang Baler, Aurora. So ngayon, papabasa natin kay Taylor kung saan to. Can you read this one?
Sitio Labasin.
Labasin. And then yan, Daylin's Bake Shop.
Is that wrong?
Sabang Baler, Aurora.
I read
I'm
it
pretty
wrong.
sure kilala dito yan. So pag tinanong nyo sila, alam nila kung saan kayo sasabihin. So ayun, in-invite kami ng may-ari nito sa bahay nila, sa farm nila. So ngayon, sama kayo sa amin. And, ako, bro.
Sarap. Naubos si Glenn. Ni Pro Glenn.
Ha? Wala nga akong kinalaman dyan.
There's no
Kakasubo ko
spoon
lang.
over there, only a spoon.
Ang mahirap nung binigay niya sa'yo, huli na eh, no? Parang kunyari ikaw yung bubos.
Nakita niyo sa video, malaki yung lalagyan niyan, di ba? Pinakita kanina.
One more, ha? Damn, I was like... Yan ang sinasabing simut sarap, di ba? Bro, alam ang gagawin. Dilaan mo na rin. Yeah, they have 2 hoses. It's coming from right here. And then just... Ate, hindi pinapatay to? Ganito lang?
Pinapatay po. Minsan sa gabi po.
Ah, pero continuous lang ho siya? Wala akong bayad to?
Flowing po.
No, you know what? It's free water.
Yeah.
Tailored. Yeah, so dito yung tubig nila parang ano lang, free. So pinapatay lang nila paggabi. Pero hindi ko alam kung... Teka, tawagin natin si ate kung pa.
Free flowing.
Paano yun, ate, may machine na sumihigaw pa, kusa na siya lumalabas sa...
Gusto na pong lumalabas.
Kusa na lumalabas? Oh! Tapos may gripo doon eh. Joke lang tayo ni ate. Hindi. Yan. So kusa daw lumalabas. So mababaw pala to, ano dito. So yung, it comes from like a
Fresh
well.
water.
It's just fresh water comes out. Yeah. So you don't have to pay for water.
Nice.
Right? Yeah. Ayan, sasamahan kami ni Ate Rosalie. Ayan, siya yung mag-guide sa amin papunta dun sa farm ni Kuya Omar. Say hi, ate.
Ano ay? Ano po hindi kasi yung farm nila sa reserva. Dito ko saan?
Hindi pa to yung farm. Ah.
Ano lang yun, pinakang bukid nila kung tawagin dito sa amin, bukid.
Di ba bukid farm, ate?
Hindi,
Taka, nag-isip ako ah.
ibig sabihin ko, iba yung farm nila doon, iba yung doon.
Iba.
Ano lang yun, ano lang yun, parang ano lang.
Sige, ganun na lang. Sasabihin namin, punta ko sa bukid.
Parang piknikan lang po nila.
Kami sa bukid pero hindi sa farm. Wala lang ipag-isip. Ganun.
Oo. Basta yung isang bukid. Yan. Yan guys, hindi naman pala farm. Ano pala siya? Bundok. Mountains.
You trust
Kaya pala
this
nakakalito. So, pero ang ganda dito. Ay, tumatulong sa... Oh shit, I wanna do that. May nakita kami tumalon sa...
Mga bata po.
Sa...
Babaw.
Yan, so on the way dun sa, papunta dun sa, hindi ko malaman kung bukid o farm ni Kuya Omar, may nakita kami mga bata tumatalon sa tulay.
they're
Tulay
jumping
means
off the bridge.
Yeah, so minto kami, tatalon sila, pero hindi ko alam kung kaya ako nito eh, kaya subok muna sa kanila. Hindi natin kung gano'ng kalalim. Gano'ng kalalim eh? Mga sa akin, ganito. Hindi ka makakabot sa ilalim. Ayan, ito parang magba-backflip pa eh, no? Ito talagang...
Oh my
sige,
god.
ayan.
Alright.
Ayan natin.
It's raining.
Oh my god.
Hey! Oh shit!
Yeah.
Next, Taylor.
No. Am I gonna do that?
It's raining.
I know. I'm getting a
I
shower.
just don't have a
today.
shorts, but if I will.
Oh
I
no,
think-
I'm not. It's too
But I think I'm gonna reach the
shallow
bottom
here.
though.
Yeah,
It's
look, you
shallow.
can see the rocks. Gonna touch
Ayun,
the
oh.
bottom. But it's
Galing.
perfect for little kids.
Galing nila. Tapos dito rin, may family, no? Nature.
It's just a quick pit stop that we saw them jumping, so we're gonna go back now to the farm.
Siya magbibigay sa'yo, bro.
Ayun na,
Pucha,
ayun na.
grabe yan. Truck. Oh, teka, bakit siya dumidiretso? Oh my God. Paano?
May kasi po sa bigay din.
Oo, dalawa pa.
Alam mo yung kanal.
Nakakatakot din.
Alam po nila yung
That's what I was thinking earlier. I was like, how are we gonna fit? Akin na din yan. Akin na din. Sa kanila Kuya Omar na.
Ito pala eh.
Ito. Ayan guys, nandito na kami. Kaya naman pala nalilito si ate. Kasi hindi ko alam kung farm. Pero parang bundok siya eh. Kaya hindi niya rin ma-describe kung ano yung location. Pero sobrang ganda. May maliit na creek. Tapos puro puno na. Talagang nature at its best.
Yeah.
Right? Tapos may sign sila doon, bawal manguryente. So I guess may mga bulig siguro dyan or whatever, kung anong isda ay nandyan. And sama kayo, pakita namin sa inyo yung bukid nila. Tapos yung ginawa nilang bridge. Diba, ang ganda oh.
But not a farm. So nice here.
This is called Bahay Kubo, bro, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can still call it Bahay Kubo. That's what check it.
Oh man, we missed out, huh?
Oh yeah. Medyo na late kami, so hindi kami maabot dun sa Kamayan sana. But look, oh my gosh, meron pang creek dito.
Oh my god.
We miss the food and
Wow.
Woo! Bolo.
I don't wanna give it to you. Sana makakuha rin ako ng ganito, no? Yung, like, look at their property. It's like everything, the forest and then like...
Oh my god, you can get me a coconut here. I know you can get one here.
Hi, Taylor, you wanna pick some mustasa?
Some what?
Mustasa. What's mustasa?
Mustache? That's what it sounds like.
Ate, ano ng English ng mustasa? That was vegetable, I forgot. I don't know what mustasa.
Ooh, ooh.
Oh look, they're grabe to, fresh na fresh. Oh. Dito siguro nila kinuha yung pinang-lunch nila kanina. So may okra, mustasa. I think may okra before. I've not seen an okra too.
Pick up one.
Pick it. Wow. Wow.
Wait lang. Okay.
Yan. Ngayon pala ako naka-pick
You like
ng
them big,
okra. You like them big. I'm getting it for you. Parang ang dali lang kinuha ni ate. Fresh yan. Steam. Yan.
Is my face still all red?
Yeah.
Ayun yung mustasa. Ano sabi ni ate?
Pula loves Pinoy.
I was gonna get it but like, yan. Papanig sana ako kaso kulay brown na eh. So,
How do you say?
it's already brown. Oh,
Maraming excuses.
marami.
I think Taylor, that's a good one.
Bakit ka na nagtuturo? Adonis No, that's not good.
I told him to get me one too, and he won't either.
Pati lagi namin dyan. Wait.
Yun. Fresh catch.
Sila na nagtayong
From fresh fish.
from
Ngayon naman
fresh
merong
vegetables. Diba?
Next time bro, sana mga baboy na may nuhuli mo, no?
Akala ko anong
Kalabaw.
fresh na yung susunod na sabi mo eh. Fresh girls.
Yeah. Let me join. Just kidding.
And guys, dun, babalik tayo dun sa ilog na nadaan natin kanina. So magkakaroon ng parang family picnic, tas maliligo tayo. Yeah, tama.
I know.
Ito nga pala si Kuya Noel Tolentino. Yan, siya yung contractor nito. Siya yung gagawa ng tulay na to, ng daan.
Real bridge.
Tapos ito Kuya, bridge.
Yeah. Ito yung talaga yung tunay yung permanent bridge.
So ito temporary pa lang pala to. Oh, okay. So
Para yung mga tao nakakadaan mo na ako.
it will take about a year. Ang galing oh. Siya. Ano? Kaya pala ginagawa yung daan doon din. Ikaw din yun, Kuya.
So after this, gagawin na yung daan papunta ron. Sa pinuntahan nyo kanina.
So doon maganda makabili ng land kasi ano na. Pero kay Kuya na yata lahat yun eh.
Hindi. Sorry, hindi.
So like if you want to buy that because you know that they're building the land.
Yeah.
So the value goes up. Ayan. Galing no? Discarding Pinoy.
I had no idea what was going on the whole time. I just
Oh yeah, he was a contractor. He will make the bridge and the roads and stuff.
update. Thank you.
Kailan pala nag-start yung bakery sa ano to? Mga
Nag-start siya 2013.
2013. Pero
Almost 10
ngayon,
years.
Wow. Yes.
but everyone knows about it now.
Yeah.
Not just here. The people travel from the world.
Even Glenn is like, he
Yeah.
comes here for this.
Si Glenn natin, ginagawa niya, he will buy it here and then sell it in San Jose.
Talaga?
With a markup price.
Yeah, he buys like 5 or
That's how
6 at a
famous
time
it
and
is.
brings it back. Yeah.
The question is, bakit siya tinawag na Mercedes de Brazo? Why is it called?
Brazodemercedes.
Kanina pa yun baliktad talaga yung utak ko ngayon.
Baliktad talaga.
Pero may alam ko yung history kung bakit kaya siya tinawag na gano'n?
Pero ano kasi siya, gawa siya sa egg white, tapos may milk.
Pero bakit po ate pa rin
Brazodemercedes. Ewan ko, kasi yun yung nakasanayan na dito, Brazodemercedes.
Mystery pa rin.
Nako, mystery pa rin. Hindi pa rin natin alam. So, malalaman din natin yan mamaya-maya. So ate, may iba rin gumagawa nito?
Meron naman. Meron.
So,
Sa Goldilocks meron.
Sa Goldilocks meron. So talagang
Pero
sa kanila
syempre, mas
special.
iba yung gawa namin.
Yan. So,
Kasi yung palaman niya, homemade yan. Sa amin
yan.
talaga, dito talaga siya niluluto.
Homemade talaga. What time kayo nag-start na mag-bake nito?
Nag-start kami everyday, 3 o'clock in the morning.
Oh my
Oh, wow.
God.
Okay. Maybe we're not asleep yet at that time,
Yeah.
Taylor.
We'll come here, but we might be a little drunk.
Kasi gusto namin mapanood and then ipakita sa inyo. Pero syempre not the secret part, yung homemade nila.
Pwede
na
naman,
sauce.
maski secret.
Yan kasi hindi nyo kayang gayahin. Yan, confidence, di ba?
I tried this one too. The
Yes,
kiwi.
mas
Kiwi.
Ito yung bago nilang
It's good.
specialty.
Masarap.
Sarap din yan.
Ay! Ay, pinainggit! Pinainggit
Oh
ko!
my
Di ba?
Yan o. Favorite niya kasi kaya...
Pero masarap naman siya. Not too sweet.
Not problem. I love kiwi. That one's really good.
Oh my God. Good. And there's like fresh
Yung
stuff.
red velvet kasi
Because of the
medyo may
seeds.
tamis ng konti. Siya ng konti. Pero ito yung ganun.
Oh, yeah, it's good. Kiwi cupcake nila yung bestseller nila. Isa pa.
Yeah.
Of
No,
course,
give it
after
back.
this. But,
I like this one.
I never had that before. Muffin, ha?
I've never heard of a kiwi cupcake.
And then pag kinagat mo, may crunch. Yung buto
Gawa
ng
ng seed niya.
yung seeds niya.
Seeds, yeah.
Ang sarap. Nasama talaga yung kiwi kasi hindi overpowering nga yung sugar. So I think nag-pay attention sila doon kasi coming from ate talaga, hindi sila talaga matamis. Sino kaya ate ang makakapagsabi sa amin na bakit ito tinawag na brazodemercedes? Baka si Lola.
Si Kuya Noel mo.
Hindi. Hindi pa rin namin ma-figure out, mystery pa rin kung bakit tinawag na Mercedes, brazodemercedes.
Well, tingin ko, story na talaga ng na talagang yan ang pangalan niya. Hindi ko rin ma-figure out kung bakit tinawag ng braso.
Kung bakit tinawag ako. Mystery pa rin guys.
Siguro, before, long ago siguro, di ba?
Oo.
Baka nagawa na sila ng ganyan, tapos somebody na Mercedes ang pangalan.
Yun din ang iniisip
So,
namin.
Yung form eh, parang braso.
Parang okay, yeah.
Siguro, guys, yung,
Yan, it makes sense parang braso ng
hindi lang natin
babae
alam-
na gumagawa.
Hindi lang natin alam kung ano apelido ni Mercedes.
Yeah. Yan. So, yan. Parang ganun din. Pero guys, matutuntun din natin talaga kung ano talaga yung
Kasi lahat ng
name.
bake shops talaga nagagawa ng ganyan, di ba?
Dito specifically, no? At
Yeah, in the
sa
Philippines.
Baler.
In the Philippines.
Dito rin sa buong Pinas.
talaga, marami.
Talagang special lang yung sa kanila, kaya talaga dinadayo dito.
Yeah. Pasarapan na lang kung ano.
Oo. Kaya nga si ate confident, sabi niya, panoorin namin, pwede ba namin i-vlog?
Yeah.
Sabi niya, hindi namin papakita yung secret ingredient, yung mga ganyan. Pero sabi niya, okay lang kahit ipakita.
Siguro mas maganda kung i-taste niyo yung braso habang inaano niyo. Para makita niyo kung talaga masarap yung braso ng asawa.
Oh, yeah.
Taste nyo.
Nakailan na kami kanina.
Wow.
Ayan. So, tingnan nyo guys, mga customers nila, talagang walang pati. So, ate, everyday, ito, idea ni Adonis. Ang galing nga eh. Everyday, tuturuan namin si Taylor ng isang Filipino word. Kaso, si Taylor minsan, she doesn't believe us.
Why?
So, we're gonna, minsan daw, niloloko kasi ni Glenn. Iba yung
Oh,
sasabihin
he
niya.
always says the wrong words.
So ngayon, andito si ate, siya ang proof. Okay, hand me that thing. The green one. Yeah, the shirt. Yeah. So,
Pako.
ito lang ingredient na to.
Suso.
Yan, see? I told you, suso.
Suso.
See? Say it.
Suso.
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 So, baka hindi kasi siya maniwala na suso to. Yan.
It's not suso. Suso.
Suso. Oh, see? Yan.
No, he does
So-
that on purpose. See? That's why I don't.
Okay, we'll teach you we'll show you. So, Filipino words sometimes have, different meanings. So, this is suso. Suso means
Suso.
boobs.
Yeah. Suso,
Alright, so-
suso means boob.
Suso means boob, but
Yeah.
suso is
Yeah.
snail.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, sususo sa suso. That's long. That's gonna be complicated. That's when you're breastfeeding. Sususo sa
That's just
suso.
like dede.
Dede.
Yeah,
Milk.
yeah, like that. Okay, so tomorrow we'll ask you,
Okay.
May quiz siya. So the word for today is,
Suso,
and what does it mean?
snail and breast.
How do you say breast?
Suso.
Suso,
Yeah!
How about the snail?
suso.
Oh, correct.
Yeah.
Yan na.
Okay, kain na kayo.
Yan. Kaya na tayo, guys. Wow.
Tinola is one of my favorites.
I wanna wash my hands now on the...
Look, Ian, look at the cat watch. Look, it looks mean.
You gonna try the snails?
Yes.
The new word that you learned?
Suso.
Yeah.
Oh, I see it.
It's coming out?
Yeah.
Yeah, just suck harder.
Trying to blow.
Why are you blowing? It's not, you suck.
You suck
not
it.
blow.
I don't think the hole is.
Where's the...
So, that went to your throat.
No, because I wanted to get the plastic thingy.
Yeah, you got
off.
the plastic out. This one. You got it? It's hard to eat, but it's good.
Yeah, but
Once you... By the way, guys, ito pala yung mga gulay dito, yung okra and stuff like that. Nakita nyo na nagpipik kami?
yeah.
Ito yung niluto nila kaya first na first to. Galing sa farm na hindi bukid, sabi ni ate. You know it's a native chicken? When it's like darker, the meat is darker.
This is my favorite vegetable. So crunchy. Tastes like meat almost.
I was gonna say, give me half at least. Oh my god, there's only one in there. She ate the whole thing. Taco. Oh, yeah, but I want the skin. I want a little bit. Yeah, I'll split. Yeah. Sarap ng sahog.
That is bagnet.
Magnet, no? Pucha, sarap. Tsaka talagang matching siya. Yeah, a good part.
So but eat it.
So this is their dessert, Taylor. Might be sweet. Try it. It's thick noodles, huh?
Yeah, that's why I asked what kind it was, because I know the pancit canton, the little ones.
Much thinner.
Yeah. Good, huh?
But I like the sauce a lot, but I like the noodles because for me, I prefer like udon, so I like the thicker noodles. I think they taste better.
Ayan, guys. Kayo na mag-decide kung anong klaseng pansit. Kasi hindi rin nila alam talaga yung name nito. So, homemade nila to. Kaya kayo na mag-decide. Ha? Ayan, kakatapos lang namin ito, pero may request na ulit si Glenn.
There you go.
Yeah, there you go.
Ito pala si Kuya Omar. So, brother niya yung may-aring place. So, dito sila lumaki, bale.
Ito.
Yan. So, siya yung best na accountant sa Los Angeles. So, tax basics. Pag nasa, kailangan nyo ng tax issues nyo, mga ganyan. At Kuya Omar. The best. Siya rin yung may birthday pala. Yan. Celebration niya kasi ang dami. Celebrate na kami sa
Ngayon,
Manila.
nagkabukas pa.
Bukas, so yan. Kaya kami nandito.
So if you want to send them a drink, you accept GCash, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll put the link.
It's like a glove.
Long.
I've never had one like that.
Kuya, ano ba kuya kung bakit ang tawag sa ganyan, Mercedes de Brazo?
Brazodemercedes.
Baliktad na naman sinabi ko. Brazo de Mercedes.
Yun ang hindi ko alam.
Yan, talagang mystery pa rin. Hindi tayo uwi ng
Ang
hindi
alam ko
natin
lang
alam.
kung bakit Dialins.
Oo.
Ay, kasi pangalan niya Dialins.
Oo, yun pala yun. Diane, asawa ni Kuya
Kuya
Noel.
Noel, oo.
So sila yung may-ari. Yan. Okay, so meron na tayong, lumalapit na. Lumalapit na yung mystery natin.
Mercedes de Brazo.
Oo. So, kasi ang hula namin kuya,
Saying that.
hula namin, si Mercedes, halo siya ng halo. So parang braso niya sumasakit, parang
Parang braso.
ganon. Oo, so
Oh, pwede nga,
sabi naman ni Taylor, it's like a car. Pero like it's an arm.
Because-
It's not gonna
I
mix.
didn't know that the.
You
I
just
didn't
know the
it's an
Mercedes
arm.
Benz.
I just know Mercedes.
Mercedes,
is
yes,
car.
of Benz, yeah.
Yan. So, guys, mag-check in muna kami sa hotel sa Aliyah daw. Beachfront siya. So, yan. Sama kayo. Pakita namin.
Okay, guys, we made it here. We're at Aliyah Surf Resort. We're right next to the beach. I guess a lot of people come here from Australia and all over different parts of the world to surf. So we're gonna test that out too and see how good we are at surfing. I know I'm not very good, so.
I mean, like, they're gonna push you. Literally push you. So you can't miss that.
Perfect.
Even if you miss, you know, it's not gonna be hard for you to come back. Because they're gonna take you back and let you know when to stand.
My
Yeah,
ideal
so-
surfing then.
But like, I like this spot. Look, nakita niyo parang siyang open, and the beach is just right there. Like you could even see. Like we'll show you actually, so that you can see it better. And I want to show you guys the room. So, parang napaka-comfy nitong lugar na to. Parang nasa Hawaii. At katulad dito, nakasulat, Aurora pala, akala ko Aloha. Oh, look. Come in. So, it's simple and cozy. We're probably just gonna take a shower here anyway and sleep. And then it's right by the beach, so I just change real quick so I can go to the water. It kind of gives you a feeling of you're a surfer. Kind of. With the design and stuff. So right now, si Taylor nagbibihis, so I wish I could show you the restroom, but it's nice. Yeah, if you guys want to take a peek on the restroom, out of curiosity. So let's catch the sunset, guys. Taylor's already there. Ayan, sakto pa uulan na. Buti lang, dito na kami sa hotel. Nag-brown out. Ayun, ngayon kakabukas lang ng ilaw. So, ganda, guys. Kaya pala to naman, tingnan nyo naman yung waves. So meron siyang pang beginners talaga. So it's about to rain. Baka daw mabasa kami pag umulan. Kaya ayaw niya na mag-swimming.
My mom always taught me, like, you don't swim when it's lightning because you're gonna get struck by lightning in the water. So I am not gonna swim right now. Like maybe in like 5 minutes.
I thought you didn't want to get wet in the rain when you're swimming.
Oh no, I don't care about that. I care more about getting struck by lightning. I'm not.
Cookie! That's Gucci! Cookie!
Wala akong makita.
Eh, sabi ni Kuya, guaranteed daw, di tayo tatamaan. Yan na, Kuya, guaranteed. Takot sa sakit lahat eh. I'll keep it warm for you. Kaya mula na, ahon na ako. Mamabasa ako eh. Baka ito maulan, nag-surf pa rin sila. Ayan, biglang umulan, pero...
Private pool.
Yeah.
This is our own private pool because no one else is dumb enough to swim here right now.
When there's lightning.
I know. It's really raining in my face. I was trying to get a good view, but I'm like,
That's a good view.
but it is very nice. So that's just the price I made. Ian is flying his flag right now.
Ayan guys, mag-dinner kami para sa birthday party ni Kuya Omar Tolentino. So, ito pag-aari ng kapatid niya na si Kuya Noel Tolentino.
Oh, that's
So,
a restaurant?
Yeah, Kubli.
which I just learned means hidden, which is
Yeah.
funny because we had to go like on a back street to get here, and it really was hidden. So
So yeah, Taylor thought that we're gonna sell her. No?
Yeah, yeah, 'cause
So
it
medyo
was-
natakot siya kasi ang sikip ng mga daan.
it looked like the movie Wrong Turn. Like I was really scared. So, but we're here now, so it's okay. All right, so we're gonna go eat now. So we'll go inside. Yeah. Popping my knuckles, that's not very girly. It's I had me enjoying or trying to do it all last night. The hotel? Alright, we'll try it.
Uy, naka-record na yan.
Is it good? That looks healthy. I'm gonna try.
Spicy.
Is it spicy?
What do you call that?
This is papaya salad.
Green papaya salad.
Green papaya. Good. And I guess you bite this.
I thought you were gonna bite the stick.
Mamaya.
Shrimp kebab.
Later, she will bite it all.
It's so good. Oh my
This
god.
one's a little spicy though.
The combination is good. It complements what it tastes like.
Yeah.
Like
Oh yeah. Ooh, that's another.
What's a Taylor?
Ceviche or kiloin. One of the two.
wait, no, this is ceviche.
Ceviche, right?
Wait, so
I think it's ceviche, not kiloin.
is this the ceviche mai mai?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. Wow.
Yum. Vegetables. Are over the top.
So, remember you were asking about the bopis? It's not bopis, sisig ala bopis.
Bopes, ah.
Bopis pala, nickname nung may-ari nito. So, ito yung version niya ng sisig. Looks good. Let's try it.
Sisig.
Ito yung sisig ala bopes. Ito pala, nickname ni Kuya. So, ito yung version niya.
Hello.
So
Hello
good.
again, hello again.
Oh, that's sarap.
So good.
How's the mahi-mahi?
I like it, yeah.
Oh, that's
Ceviche.
that's the ceviche.
Yeah.
So, I guess ceviche in Tagalog is kilawin.
Yeah.
They have the best chicken wings. Oh my god, so good. It's a squid with stuffed fish. I can't help it. I'm gonna have to eat it. Magda-diet na sana ako eh, kaso kailangan
That's
ko
a
ano.
taco.
It's like a taco. And then you put some salsa.
Gising-gising.
So good.
So good.
Gising naman.
Pag pumunta kayo sa Kubli, you gotta try this one. I like it because it's not too
It
salty.
has the crunchy part too. Like
It has the crunch, yeah. And then this one's soft, so like it's really good. I like your salsa too. Wow, really? No rice?
Kala nyo lang yun.
What's that?
gising. So son, I always order this. But I want to try it with this part. Squash blossom. It's good.
Oh, squash blossom.
Yeah.
Gising.
So good. Very glad I ordered it now. I always order it.
She always orders gising. This one's good. Kailangan mo pa ng extra plate. Wala na, hindi na kasha.
No rice diet.
Ayaw pa kasi magkanin, inuubos na yung ulam. Ito si Kuya Omar, siya yung birthday, pero hilig niya talaga mag-bartender, so gagawa niya raw
Katuparan ng mga pangarap.
Kaya siya nagtayo ng bar sa Manila. Para, yan kasi gusto niya talaga. Mag-shake!
Meron ako dalawang martini
Oh, they're close now.
May dalawang martini ba? Martini? Yup.
Tapos mamaya, papakita rin sa atin ni Kuya yung history. Sa mga walls na to, nandiyan yung mga maraming history ng Baler. Tsaka yung kapatid pala nila, si Kuya Raul Tolentino, siya yung first surfer sa Philippines. So mamaya pakita namin picture sa inyo.
At your service, sir.
Wow! Thank you.
Two more. Two more. Okay. What's that? All right.
Yeah?
What's the olives?
Mapapau!
Mapapau ka sa sakap.
Dry martini. Yan. Tingnan natin yung mga bowl nila. Asan ko yung picture ni Kuya Rafi?
Ayan, si Kuya Rol. Marami na. Ayan, si Kuya Rol. Ayan po, si Kuya Rol. Bata.
Ayan.
Nasa ba si Kuya Rol? Nandun. Meron din siya rito. Yan siya.
Kuya Raul, kapatid nila, yun yung pinaka-first surfer dito sa Baler. So, ngayon siya yung kilala talaga dito na yung mga tao, talaga siya yung alam na first na nag-surf. So, may surf shop na siya. Sayang nga di nakauwi eh. Sa LA, siya nakatira ngayon. Actually, tinuturuan niya kami ng kapatid ko. Kasi di lang umabot. Tinuruan niya yung kapatid ko. Pero yung kapatid ko ngayon magaling na. Dahil sa kanya. Ito siya. So, yung first surfer na sa Philippines, dito sa Baler, ito si Kuya Raul.
first chip niyo.
Kapatid niya. Ito rin daw yung first jeep niya. So, talagang pro level siya.
That's CJ. You don't know CJ.
They look like my brother.
But this one looks like CJ.
Pero ka nakwento sa akin kanina yung nung 1500 daw, parang may naging tsunami dito. So, na-wipe out lahat yung buong village, di ba? Tapos parang 7 families lang inatira.
7 families survive.
So, paano nakasurvive yung 7 families? Parang nalaman nila na parating na?
Ang parating na kasi nag-receive ang di ba, ang magtutsunami.
Gumano naman yung tubig.
Oo.
So, biglang nawalan ng tubig. So, sila parang instinct nila. Punta sila sa...
Higher ground.
Why they thought the water was
Sila sa bundok.
or something? Or?
So they said when tsunami happens, like you see the water gets pulled out first, and then a big wave will come. You know when sometimes you're getting pulled and then the wave will
Yeah,
come. So like imagine like that on a big scale.
So they left. They ran up the
They went to the mountains.
Smart.
So grabe no, 7 families yung natira.
Survival of the fittest.
So re-research pa namin more kasi medyo na-curious ako. Google namin. Let's go. It's like at least their last names and stuff. So natututunan namin yung mga culture nila and then talagang buti na lang sila yung kasama namin. Talagang dito na kasi sila lumaki. So they were able to show us around. Right?
Maybe they're the part of the 7 families.
That's what he was saying. I think they were part of it. Yeah. I think sila part ng 7 families na yan.
Gusto rin nila.
Aso natin. Tapos ngayon, syempre, iba na yung generations.
Maybe they're sila doon.
Isa sila doon.
Kasi
That's what
1500s eh, di ba?
1500s, yeah. And then yung, syempre, yung last name na iba-iba na lang later. They're probably part of that. Like, their family, their bloodline.
So Survivors.
Sige, inom muna kami konti. Celebrate sa birthday niya.
That makes it so much easier, huh?
Ito wala ko. Maliit na yung pusit.
From the very start.
Sana ay tabihan na.
What can you say?
I hated that.
We always make her sing.
Puting. See, that makes me more nervous. Don't say that. Don't say that I say it wrong. Do I? I said it wrong?
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, that's even worse. Don't ever.
Alright guys, so it's about midnight now. So day one was so much fun.
Yeah.
Tomorrow more exciting kasi we're gonna wake up 6 a.m. We're gonna watch the sunset. We're gonna learn how to make the I'm sorry, sunrise. I told you it's midnight. And then we're gonna learn how to make the brazodemercedes.
I was waiting for him to get it right.
So sabi naman nila like we could show whatever. Pwede natin pakita lahat. So yun, excited na kami matutunan yun. And
I thought
of
we
course,
were going private island tomorrow.
We're going to a private island.
Yeah.
I think one of their properties too. And then we're gonna learn how to surf. We've tried it
Fingers
before.
crossed.
You know, pero maganda na kasi parang like if you're in the Philippines, it's so much cheaper.
And easier.
Yeah, so parang tinanong ko na sa kanila 500 pesos per hour most likely. Because sabi ko I don't want them to raise the price when they see Taylor. Because usually it's like an American price. You know, like, so like I know now. But before we're gonna negotiate first before we let her out.
Yeah.
Yeah. So ayan, see us on day 2 tomorrow.